Hello. Hey guys, it's Kaylin. Welcome back to another video. It has been an eternity since I have filmed anything. I've had a crazy amount of technical difficulties. My laptop's hard drive was terrible and I had to get a new one, and then with school, and then I switched jobs. So that is why I've been gone for a good long while, and I've been having editing problems. I did have another video from like August that I filmed, and I'm just having a ton of issues editing it, but I don't even think I'm gonna upload it. So I figured I would just film a new video that I've been wanting to film for a while. You may be wondering why I'm not wearing makeup in this video, because today we're gonna be doing some skincare. Empties. I am by no means a skincare professional. I just enjoy talking about it. I enjoy trying new products, and I would love to hear all of your guys' recommendations for what products you like down below, and what works for me might not work for you, and vice versa. Just a little disclaimer before we get into it. Let's just get started, shall we? What I'm doing. First, I have this CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. I really liked this cleanser. It was recommended to me by a friend who said their dermatologist recommended it. They also have a dry, like a normal to dry formula, I believe. I really like it. It comes with 12 fluid ounces, so it lasts you a good long while. But this is just like a light foaming cleanser, and I like to use like a cleansing brush, a facial brush. I'll put a picture up on the screen somewhere. It helped my skin a lot. It's very gentle and soft on your skin. It did help with my oils a lot, so I highly recommend this. This is the Clean and Clear Deep Action Cream Cleanser Sensitive Skin Oil Free. Gentle formula with added moisturizers. Cleans deep down to the pores by Johnson & Johnson. So this cleanser I like a lot. I discovered how great this was because I was using this one right here, but I was still breaking out pretty bad, and then me and my best friend went on a weekend trip, and I wanted to get like a mini cleanser so I wouldn't have to take this big giant thing with me down there for a weekend. So I got a mini cleanser, which was this one right here, and I only used it like 3 or 4 times, and it helped my breakout so much. This definitely helps with acne, at least it did for me, so I highly recommend this if you're looking for a cleanser that helps with clearing up breakouts. Now I also have the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs and Rose Water. I really liked this too. This was great. It worked amazing. Did it really serve a purpose? Not really. My favorite way to use it was in the morning. I would rinse my face off with water and then pat dry and then spray this over top, and it just left my face feeling like moisturized and refreshed, and it didn't feel like harsh on my skin at all. It was also really nice to use through the day, especially in the summer, you know, with the sun beating down and making you like oily and gross. If you have oily skin like me, this just kind of is good to spritz and like refresh your makeup or like refresh your skin throughout the day. It's almost like giving your skin like a little gulp of water. If you have any good Mario Badescu skincare products to recommend, please leave a comment and let me know. I would love to try some more of this out. On to the next item. This is the Freeman Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals Clay Mask. This one I really liked. It definitely makes your skin feel clean and refreshed, but it doesn't really like make much of a visible difference. It does leave your skin like slightly more glowy, but I wouldn't say it's like a dramatic difference. It smells amazing. I really enjoyed it, and I would like to use it again. I would like to repurchase, but I want to try getting some other clay masks and seeing if I can find one that makes like a more visible difference in my skin's appearance and making it just like glowier and cleaner. I do like this. I would recommend it, but I don't think I'm going to be repurchasing it soon. This is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF. Honestly, I was not much of a fan of this. Like, I would not repurchase this. I do like that this comes with a pump. I think the pump is really nice and convenient. I like that this one has SPF in it because I hate having to put on like sunscreen by itself and the moisturizer by itself. I like it to just kind of like together and make my life so much easier and more convenient. I wouldn't really recommend it. I mean, maybe if you really want your skin to look matte and you don't want your skin to be left dewy, then maybe this would be for you. But I like my skin to look really dewy and moisturized. So I would put it on and my skin would just it up really, really quick, and it would leave my face looking like matte and not dewy. Not for me. Do not like. And the last product we're going to be talking about today is the Seek Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment by Dr. Ciara. Let me show you the inside because I used so much of this. Like, look. I scraped the jar to like the very last drop. I love this stuff. This is my holy grail. I don't even know what you would really call it. It's kind of a moisturizer, kind of a sunscreen, kind of a color correcting treatment, kind of a primer. I don't really know what you would call it, but it's amazing. I got a sample of it from Sephora a while back. I'll actually put a picture of like when I first used the sample because my skin looked in that picture. I'm not gonna lie. But that's when I fell in love with it and I decided to order myself a jar. You get 1.7 fluid ounces for about $50, I believe, which is a pretty hefty price tag to me, but it is well worth it. This little jar lasts you forever. This lasted me for like months and months and months, like pretty much a year, and you do not need a lot. You just take a little, like boop 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 boop, done. I'm actually wearing it today because even though this one is empty, my best friend ordered some, and she ordered like a mini size, and she did not like it for her skin, so she just sort of gave it to me, and I love it. It like corrects redness and it leaves your skin looking dewy, and it protects it from the sun because it has like SPF 30. Even though it has a hefty price tag, I would 100% recommend, especially if you like do not want to bother with makeup, especially in the summertime. It's great in the summertime when you do not want to bother with foundation or even concealer or anything like that. You literally just dot this on, blend it in, and boom, you're ready to go. You are good for the day. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Would you try any of these? If you do, please let me know. And if you have some skincare recommendations, please comment down below and let me know. I'm always looking for new things to try. If you liked this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. What should I do next? I do have a bag of makeup empties if you guys would like to see a makeup empties too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay cool. It's almost like giving your strength your I told you to get out.